Did you know that in the first quarter of 2026, of South Africa's aged 15 to 24 who were in the labour force were unemployed? That's according to Statistics South Africa. That number is more than just a statistic. It represents young people looking for opportunities, wanting to work, learn, and build a future. And when the traditional employment is difficult to find, it becomes even more important to think about developing skills, going and gaining experience, and exploring different legitimate opportunities. I believe we shouldn't simply wait for the perfect opportunity to come along. No, we can learn, grow, and look at different ways of creating possibilities to ourselves. I truly believe that. Of course, no opportunity guarantees success, and building something takes time, effort, and consistency. But sometimes the biggest change starts simply being willing to explore something new. Your circumstances today don't have to define your future. You can keep learning, keep looking, and keep moving forward. If you want the opportunity in these difficult times, put a yes in my comments and I'll send you the details.